Hey pal, today I am showing you how to make these elegant lace textured fingerless gloves. They are surprisingly quick to make, perfect for a last minute gift or a cozy weekend project. If you prefer to follow along with a written version, I have the full downloadable PDF pattern available now in my Etsy shop. You can find the link in the description box below. For the project, I am using weight 2 yarn with a 3.5 mm crochet hook. You will also need a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. To get started, begin by chaining 38. We will be working in rows. Turn your work at the end of each one. For row 1, skip the first chain and place one single crochet into each stitch across for a total of 37 stitches. Moving to row 2, chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet throughout the pattern. For 2 more double crochets into that very first stitch. Skip 2 stitches, then 1 single crochet. Now work 5 shell stitches across. Skip 2 stitches. Make 5 double crochets in the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet. Once done with all 5 shell stitches, skip 2 stitches and place 3 double crochets into the last stitch before turning. For row 3, chain 1 and single crochet into the first stitch. Then repeat a sequence of chaining 2, skipping 2, 1 double crochet, chaining 2 and skipping 2, followed by a single crochet. Repeat this 6 times across. Row 4, returning to our shells. Chain 3 and work 2 double crochets in the first stitch. Work 1 single crochet and then place 5 shell stitches. Skip the last 2 chains and finish with 3 double crochets in the final stitch. For row 5 through 23, simply repeat rows 3 and 4 alternately. Fasten off and cut your yarn. Make sure to leave a long tail for sewing. To assemble, fold your panel over. Use your tapestry needle. Stitch 23 stitches of the last row together with the 23 stitches from your foundation edge. Fasten off and weave in those ends. To create the thumb hole, skip 7 stitches from both row 23 and the foundation chain. Join your yarn again. And sew the remaining 7 stitches together to close the top of the glove. Fasten off and cut the yarn. Weave in all the ends